Okay, this is an update to the last short where I did the DC voltage. You saw the line and the little ripple in it. So this is the update where I moved it to 3.3 volts. We'll mess around with it a little bit. And then I now have it in AC coupling. So here we did AC, it's still 10 full bandwidth. But now you can see the noise on the voltage line, which is actually not too bad. Volts peak to peak there is about 200 millivolts. Not too bad in all regards. And if I start increasing the voltage, it will go up and then we'll settle back down. We'll go up to about 10 volts here. You can see it got a little bit more noisy, up to about 288, 300. Still some noise there. Overall, pretty clean signal out of this power supply. It does get a little bit noisy as you go higher, so it does take a little bit to have it re-sync down. So we'll go up to the max here, about 30 volts. There you go. And that's the full noise. It gets up to about a half of 500 millivolts. So quite a bit more at the higher range. But for the most part, anything within the normal 3 to 10 volt range, it stays pretty good at right around 200 to 300 millivolts. Pretty nice little measurement features there. You can turn on and off different ones. It's about 80 kilohertz, 65 kilohertz, 130. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching.